Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix ESPN not working on your Apple TV. Now you might want to learn how to fix this issue if ESPN doesn't load, it keeps buffering or keeps crashing. These problems can be caused from a variety of different things. So either way, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to learn how to fix their ESPN app, but let's go ahead and get started. So the way that I fixed my ESPN app is that I actually went into settings here, and then from here I actually clicked on system. So click on system, and then from here you want to click on restart. So what this is doing is that it's restarting your Apple TV and also hard resetting the apps that are loaded on your Apple TV. This is going to be a good way to actually resolve any minor glitches affecting the app. While we wait for this to load, it's also important that you check your internet connection. So you might want to go ahead and reset your router so that you make sure that your Apple TV is connected to the internet. Now, the other thing you can do is that you could actually make sure that ESPN and your Apple TV are updated to the latest version. By being updated to the latest version, you'll decrease your chances of running into any issues or bugs when running ESPN. So the way to do that is that you could actually go into the App Store here, and then on the App Store, you want to go ahead and look for ESPN. So you can scroll through here and look for ESPN. So if you don't find ESPN like how I just spent looking, you could actually search for it in the search bar here. So if I type in ESPN, you'll see that ESPN loads here. So go ahead and click on ESPN. And then from here, you just want to make sure that there's no update notification appearing when you see the button there. The other thing you can do is that you can make sure that your Apple TV is up to date with the latest version. So go ahead and click on settings. And then from here, you want to click on system. And then afterwards, click on software updates. And just make sure that your Apple TV is updated to the latest version. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix ESPN not working on your Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.